There's no one here today, 'cause someone took the light away. There's nothing in my heart. Don't think I could even start to explain. I can't stand the pain of losing something so much a part of me, though in reality you were hardly there in my heart. You were everything, everything. You were everything, everything. In these few hours, a breath of summertime has turned to winter rain. In such little time, all my hope has gone. Will it ever be the same? All I ever wanted was to see your face, to see a little smile from my little one, and let you know